Believe it or not, you probably used artificial intelligence before you even had your first cup of coffee this morning. It's one of those technologies that feels like it's straight out of science fiction, but it's already all around us. It's in our pockets, on our screens, and it's making our world smarter every single second. So what is this invisible force that's shaping our daily lives? Let's break it down.
So, let's start with the big one, the question that has fascinated scientists and storytellers for, well, decades. Can a machine actually think? It sounds like a simple question, right? But the answer? Well, the answer has some pretty huge implications for all of us.
And the answer is, yeah, in a way, they already do. You rely on machines that are designed to think every single day. When you type something into Google, or ask Siri for directions, or when Netflix just knows what movie you want to watch next, that's all powered by AI. These are systems designed to learn, process information, and guess what you'll find useful.
So what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI, anyway? Well, at its core, it's the tech that lets machines mimic human intelligence. It's all about building systems that can chew through massive amounts of data, find patterns in it, and then make smart decisions or solve problems, kind of like we do.
Okay, but how does that actually work? What's really going on under the hood? In this next part, we're going to break down the key features that give an AI its power to, think.
So an AI isn't just one thing. It's more like a toolkit with a bunch of powerful capabilities. It uses something called machine learning to get better over time, just like we learn from experience. Then there's natural language processing, which is how it understands and talks back to us in our own language. And with computer vision, it can actually see and understand the world through images and video. All these tools work together, letting an AI make some pretty complex decisions and even predict what might happen next.
I know, that might sound a little abstract, so let's make it super concrete. Let's look at a perfect example of this tech that millions of us use countless times a day without even blinking an eye.
Just think about unlocking your phone with your face. It feels instant, like magic, right? But there is a ton happening behind the scenes. The camera grabs your image, and an AI using computer vision analyzes thousands of tiny, unique points on your face. And it does all of this in a split second to make sure it's really you. It's an incredibly smart task, made to feel totally effortless.
So now that we've got an idea of how AI thinks, let's move on and see where else it's hiding in plain sight. We're going to explore the different kinds of AI you run into, whether you realize it or not.
Okay, this is super important to get. Not all AI is the same. Almost every single AI you use today is what we call narrow AI. Think of it as a specialist. It's designed to do one specific thing incredibly well, like navigating with Google Maps or filtering out spam. The holy grail, the thing you see in movies, is general AI, a system that could think and learn just like a human. For now, though, we live in a world of these amazing specialists. The true generalist, well, that's still a long way off. And if we look even further down the road, you get to this wild idea of super AI. This is intelligence that doesn't just match us, it blows right past us. It would be smarter than any human in literally every field. For now, this is purely theoretical, but it kind of shows you the ultimate mind-ending potential of where all this could be headed.
And that narrow AI we talked about, it is absolutely everywhere. It's the engine that powers your YouTube feed, figuring out exactly what you'll want to watch next. It's how ChatGPT can write an email that sounds just like you. From the army of sensors in a self-driving car to the personalized products that pop up when you're shopping online, AI is basically the invisible architect of our digital world.
Okay, so AI is powerful and it's all around us. But so what? Why does this really matter? Let's zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture, at the massive impact AI is already having on our world. The impact is just massive. AI is basically becoming a force multiplier for what we can do. It automates all the boring, repetitive tasks, which frees us up to focus on creativity and strategy. It can process data faster and more accurately than any human ever could, finding hidden patterns that help businesses make better decisions. It's not just about saving time and money, it's about unlocking a whole new level of innovation.
And it's not just about efficiency, it's about saving lives. I mean, check this out. Hospitals are now using AI to scan medical images. And these systems can spot diseases like cancer earlier and sometimes more accurately than a human doctor can alone. This is a perfect example of AI not replacing people, but working with them to get incredible results.
This all brings us to our final section. We've talked about what AI is, how it works, and why it matters so much. So now let's look ahead to what's coming next in a future that is going to be incredibly intelligent. So what does this intelligent future look like? Well, imagine smarter robots that don't just work in factories, but can help around the house. Picture medicine that's not one size fits all, but is personalized specifically for your DNA. We're getting closer to fully self-driving cars, and even creative fields are being shaken up with AI that can generate mind-blowing art and music. This isn't just about cool new gadgets. It's about a fundamental change in how we live, work, and create.
So as we wrap this up, it's pretty clear that AI isn't some distant dream anymore. It's here, right now, and it is reshaping our world in real time. But the crazy part is, we are just at the very beginning of this whole revolution. And that leaves us with one final, fascinating question to think about. What's next?